made a sweet card today using the Be My Valentine stamp set along with the matching punch and the Darling Designer Series paper. Now, I love this punch because not only does it punch out the parts of the bee, but then there's like the part that cuts out the wings there is actually shaped like a heart. You see that? And so you can use it for all different projects, not just the bee. So I stamped the bee in the different colors of ink, and then I'm going to put him together. I don't know why I called him a him, but he seems like a him to me. And then we're just going to glue the different parts on, and then we're going to build up the card. Now this is a cute little fun fold card, and I'm going to have the measurements and all the directions and everything on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I will have everything on there for you. Now look at this cute paper. All the different prints are just adorable, and they all go together, complement each other, and so it's really fun to mix and match. Now I did use several different dies on this card because I was just having fun with it, and I was just building it up, and you'll see in the finished project how they all go together. But again, I'll have all these listed on my website so you'll know exactly what I used and how you can see how I layered it together. Now see, it's a short card, and then so I put that die on there and then cut the top off, and then we add this circle on the top, and then that makes it equal the height of a regular size card. It's really fun. Now we're just going to use the wing part of the punch there to cut out some different hearts. And I made this like a girly sentiment. I didn't put like Valentine on it. I did sort of a love sentiment, so you could send it to a girlfriend, which is probably what I will do. I just think this is so cute. And I love how it's the red with the pink, and all of those different colors are in the Designer Series paper. So I hand cut out the sentiment here and added it on, and then added on some of the new ribbon that's really narrow. I really like it. It's the Sweet Sorbet color, and that matches all of the cardstock and everything. And then these embellishments are adorable. So right now is celebration, and you can get freebies for every $50 you spend, so you should check it out, and this would be a great suite to put on your wish list. Have a great day.